Hello friends, this is Kumar from Research Trade Profit. After a long gap, I am recording this video. So in this video, I am going to show you a quick demo on the scanner, like what we have built a scanner, live scanner. I just want to show you how these things will work and how this will give intraday buy and sell signals in live market. And I'll just show you a demo, quick demo on how this levels is accurate on the live market. So you can see this here. These are the list of stocks where today we generated buy and sell signals. Here you can see this stock list, buy levels, targets and stop loss, and sell levels, targets for sell levels and stop loss. Here you can see this day high, day low and day open price. So here what you have to do is, every day if you log in this, open this scanner, you will just find this symbols here. You can find these symbols. Whichever stock is in active call, it will show it in symbol. For example, aluminum has touched our buying levels, so it is showing this green color. Same way here you can see this red color. Whatever stocks are touched our selling levels, it will show in red signal here. You can see this. Okay, so one by one I'll just try to give you a demo. Today Banknifty, we got a buy call in March and April contract. I'll just open Banknifty chart here. Okay, this is Banknifty chart. Buying levels was around 39,915. So this is the intraday chart, 39,911. So this is the year. I have just marked this line here. Okay, this blue line. This was our buying levels, and today market was open at this price. You can see this 23rd February. So market opened at this point, and we got a buying levels at 945. It touched our buying level, and from there it went up to 40,430, and our target was 40,470, third target. And you can see this how many points it has gone up. So this was a call in Bank Nifty futures, but Nifty futures we didn't get entry levels because 17,520 was our buying levels, but today low it was 17,556. So today we didn't get a chance in Nifty, but we got a chance in Bank Nifty. And similarly, if you see this is the beauty of this scanner. Here you can find out easily. You will find out which options to purchase. Say for example, out of so many options, we didn't get any entry levels in Nifty call options, but you can see here in Bank Nifty call options, so many, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 Bank Nifty call options we got a buy levels. In that I'll just show you one or two things. Bank Nifty, you can see this 39,600 call option. Okay, 39,600 call option, 2nd March. You can see this is the chart, and you can see the entry levels. 39,600, 522 was our buying levels. You can see here buying levels. I'll just show you in chart. So market opened at this point, and our entry was 522. You can see here. Here we got a buying levels. Okay, and this chart today low made around 485. So our stop loss was 409. Okay, so you can see here after touching our buying levels at 940, it went up to 800. And what was our target? 786 second target, 760 was the third target. So 1:1 first target we generally prefer to book the profit. So you can see this from this point it went up to 270 points, 280 points upside. Same way 39,500 call also we can check it out. 500 call. So 39,500 call, we had a buying at 562. We can see this 562. This was our buying levels. 562, 560 somewhere, and 540 was the 543 was the low, and you can see this is also 870 high. Same way we can see lower price 40,100 call, 40,100 call, 2nd March. 40,100 call, 250 was the buying levels, and you can see this today day low 245 is the day low. Here you can see this candle low 245, and our buying was around 250 range. Okay, you can see this 250 was our buying point. So what I generally suggest is, every day we might not get this levels, but whenever you get this entry points, generally these levels will work when the market is opening at flat market. In between, like yesterday's closing range, if the market is opening, then you can find these levels will work absolutely like 90% accurate when the market opens in flat price. Okay, so this was the two options I have showed you. Same way we can go for in stocks also. One second, this is getting stuck. So same way we can check it out in some stocks, like for example Apollo Hospital. I just open Apollo Hospital chart here. You can see this Apollo Hospital, we had a sell signal here. Apollo Hospital sell was at 4,501.85 paisa. So 4,501.85 paisa, 4,501. You can see here somewhere around this point. So this was a selling point. Just try to mark it in a red color. Okay, this was a selling point, and market opened here. It came down, and later at 11 o'clock it touched our selling point. Okay, and after that stop loss was around 4528. 4528. So this was our stop loss. So it touched our selling levels and it came down, and our target was 44,440. You can see this 4440, 440. Yeah, it was a second target, this point, and first target was somewhere around this point. So both the side target, two targets was done. And same way I can just scroll down and we can show you some other stocks, like for example Nestle India. Nestle, yeah, this is also selling was at 18,812. 18, yeah, here 18,812, this point. This was a selling point, and today's high is this one. And these levels are generated every day morning at 9:15 now. It is not like every time it will be changing. Every day 9:15 this it will be ready, which stocks where to buy and where to sell. Only at the time of exact when the LTP is trading exactly near our buying or selling levels, we have to take the call. You can see this scanner, and you can easily find out the stocks. Whichever stocks is very near to our buying and selling levels, you can enter the stock. And same way you will be getting the alerts in Telegram. So whichever stocks is trading our whichever stocks is touching our buying or selling levels, you will be getting the Telegram alert, so that you won't miss the trade. And using this alert, you can place a order offline, like you can log into your mobile application and you can try to place the orders online. Okay, this is how the things will work. Apollo Hospital I have shown you, and you can take any stock, like for example Wipro. I'll share you Wipro chart. Wipro, you can see this Wipro chart. Wipro, because these are the stocks which has given sell signal. Whichever symbols is coming like this, that means it is at the entry levels. Like whichever stocks is at the buying levels, it will show like this. You can see this Banknifty and all, we had a buying signals here. Same way these stocks we got a selling signals at this point. So example Wipro, I'll show you. 398.40 was the selling levels. 398.40 paisa. You can see here exactly market opened somewhere around this point here, and 10 o'clock it touched this selling point, and you can see the difference. 5 points it was down. Wipro. Same way Paytm. We'll see Paytm. Okay, market opened somewhere here. This point market opened, and selling point was Paytm 621. You can see this exactly. It touched our selling point here, 621. After touching this selling point, it came up to 604. So 16 points it has come down. And same way if you want to see aluminum, show aluminum March contract. This is the commodity. This is aluminum March contract. 1 moment. Yeah, this is the aluminum March contract, and if you see this, we had a buying at 209.15 paisa. 209.15 paisa. You can see this. This was a buying point. Market opened where? Today here. 23rd. Yeah, this is the 23rd date. 9 o'clock market opened here, and buying was generated at 1 o'clock 30 minutes. You can see this. 1 o'clock 30 minutes it touched our buying levels, and from there it went up to 2 rupees, almost 2 rupees up. It went 1 rupee 90 paisa. It has went up, and our target was 211.90 paisa. It touched 211. Second target was 211.90 paisa. So you can see the difference. This is how this will work, and you have to just follow this chart, and you will be getting these alerts in the, and this will be running in the live market. It is not like this is the offline market. This will be LTP and open high low. It will be keep fluctuating. In live market it will be live update, so need not to worry on that. And it will be showing the P&L also. Whichever stocks is very near to our buying or selling levels, it will be showing the P&L. And you can see here day high low, open high low, and buying level, selling levels. All these things you can check it out here. If you want more details, and same way you can just, this is the dashboard where you can set the dates. Say for example, now we have using this March first week contract. If you want to change the date, you can change this date. And same way if you want to change this contract, different contracts, whichever contract you want, you can just change the date here. Same way you can just see this previous closing price and expiry. This is the strike price which we have to select. So everything is set. We will be giving you demo how to use this dashboard, and also we'll show you, give you training on how to place these orders. Algo. Here we have a market watch where you can customize your trading. You can just on this Algo live trade on. If you just on this option, orders will be placed directly in the Alliance Blue terminal. And to use this scanner, you require a Alliance Blue API. For more details, you can just contact me in this number 8553029884. We will be helping you on installation. This is the main scanner which we have, and this will be running from this Python software. This is the software which is running behind the screen. So you can see this. This is the application which is running behind the scanner, because to fetch the live data we are using this application. This is a small application we will be installing in your laptop or PC, and it will be running daily. And thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, you can just subscribe my channel, and in coming days I'll be in detail, I'll be making some other videos on exactly how this calculations is done, and what are all things we required to get this output. We have all those calculations behind the screen. So in coming videos I'll be trying to explain all the things in detail. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.